FlexWage gives employees early access to earned wages by connecting to employer payroll systems and letting workers pull money before their scheduled payday. By the end, you'll know how FlexWage actually works, what makes it different from payday loans, and whether it is useful in 2026 or just another paycheck timing app with limits. Start with what FlexWage is doing. FlexWage integrates with employer payroll systems to track hours you have already worked. It calculates your earned wages in real time, based on your work activity. Now explain what that means. You are not borrowing money. Money. You are accessing pay you have already earned but have not yet been paid. Now, explain how access works. You can request early transfers from your available earned balance through the app. The money is then delivered to your linked bank account or card, depending on your employer setup. Now explain the key requirement. FlexWage only works if your employer is partnered with the platform. Without that connection, the system cannot access your payroll data. Now explain the main benefit. The main benefit is timing flexibility. You can cover expenses before payday using money you have already earned. Now explain the trade-off. Every early withdrawal reduces what you receive on your next paycheck, because the funds are pulled from wages you have already earned, not added on top. Now explain the biggest misunderstanding. FlexWage does not increase your income. It only changes when you receive income you have already worked for. Now explain who benefits most. It is most useful for employees with stable income, who occasionally face timing gaps between bills and payday. Now, explain who it is not ideal for. It is not ideal if you rely on early access every pay cycle just to stay financially stable. That can turn it into a dependency instead of a short-term tool. Now explain how it compares to loans. FlexWage is not a credit product. There is no interest because you are not borrowing money or creating debt. Now explain the main limitation. Availability depends entirely on employer participation. If your workplace is not enrolled, the app cannot be used. Now summarize the core idea. FlexWage is a paycheck timing tool, not extra income. It gives early access to wages already earned through employer integration. And its value depends on occasional cash flow needs, not constant use. One practical next step. Check with your employer before downloading FlexWage, because eligibility is the only factor that determines whether you can actually use it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of money apps without confusion.